fellas? Headed to a lake today that we ain't fished but twice last year and haven't been to it at all this year, so we're fishing just try it out, see what happens. Most of the lakes around here ain't really been doing too terribly well, so figured I'd try something new today. So let's see how I do. Good one too. Feels like a pretty good one. Oh yeah, that's a good one. That's how the sand tone spinnerbait gets it done, baby. A nice 5.5 pounder. Heck yeah. Nothing wrong with that. Little dude was hammering it. Come on, baby. Another hit. I'll have to slow it down for him. Oh, hit it again. Right at the boat. I might have to put on the silver and orange one I have. Nope, got him that time. That time. Nice rattle trap bass. Come on. So basically what I'm fishing is not really wide open water. There's grass. Oh, there's another one. There's grass all the way up to about 3 foot to the top of the water, and these fish are holding on that grass, I guess. There went another one. Bass are feeding on them shad. They're not schooling or anything. I guess they're just sitting right on top of the grass, and I'll take these all day long. Makes it for a fun trip and not catching anything. That's for sure. As I was saying, this grass is almost to the top of the water, about 2.5 to 3 foot under the water, so I got to reel this rattle trap kind of fast. Usually when I feel them bumping, I'll slow it down just a little bit, the way they can get a good hold of it. fixing to tie a different color rattle trap on it. Even though I'm getting bites on this one, I think the other, that silver and blue rattle trap, I think, oh, never mind. As I'm saying that, little squeaker latches on. Be a 10-pounder one day, little buddy. Oh, got one. Decent one. Solid 3-pounder or so. Well, that's a wrap. We didn't catch that many. We caught 8, but not the best of days. But what can you do? Try them again next time.
Raindrops, drop top, smoking, no cooking, the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Cooking up dope in the crock pot.